Uncovering the Neanderthal ingenuity. Delving into prehistoric food processing 150,000 years ago. Imagine a time 150,000 years ago in central Germany, where Neanderthals thrived by employing a sophisticated method of preparing their food. Researchers have recently revealed that these prehistoric people mastered the art of extracting fat from large animal bones using hot water. This discovery at the Neumark-Nord 2 archaeological site challenges our understanding, revealing that Neanderthals had advanced knowledge of nutrition, resource management, and careful food planning long before what we thought possible. The study, featured in Science Advances, stems from international collaboration, including experts from Monrepos, Leibniz Center for Archaeology, the Netherlands Leiden University, and the State Office for Heritage Management and Archaeology of Saxony-Anhalt. The findings reveal that Neanderthals went beyond just breaking bones to get to the marrow, a trait they shared with their African ancestors, by also breaking them into smaller pieces and boiling them to produce bone grease, a valuable nutrient source. This process was highly organized and strategic, explained Dr. Lutz Kindler, the study's lead researcher. Neanderthals demonstrated careful resource management, from planning their hunts and transporting animal remains to extracting fat in dedicated areas. They were aware of fat's nutritional importance and had mastered efficient ways to access it. The evidence supports that at least 172 large mammals, including deer, horses, and aurochs, were processed in this manner. Previously, bone grease production was thought to be a skill exclusive to Upper Paleolithic modern humans. This discovery not only pushes the timeline back by thousands of years, but also reshapes our understanding of Neanderthal dietary habits and adaptability. The Neumark-Nord complex, unearthed in the 1980s by archaeologist Dietrich Mania, represents a well-preserved ecosystem from the Interglacial period. Excavations conducted between 2004 and 2009 revealed distinct Neanderthal activities, processing deer and light butchering in one, handling straight-tusked elephants in another, and extracting fats in a specialized zone. Additionally, cut-marked remains of 76 rhinos and 40 elephants were found at nearby Taubach. Neumark-Nord stands out because it preserves an entire landscape, showcasing a variety of Neanderthal behaviors, said Prof. Will Robrooks of Leiden University. It's like peeking into the everyday lives of Neanderthals within their natural habitat. And this is the part most people miss. Neanderthal activities likely had extensive and lasting impacts on the environment. Prof. Robrooks noted that the large-scale hunting of slow-reproducing species could have significantly influenced the fauna during the last interglacial period. The discovery challenges the traditional view of Neanderthals as merely primitive and brutish, highlighting a species with forward-thinking planning, environmental management, and the ability to optimize nutrition in challenging conditions. What do you think? Could these newfound insights change the way we perceive our ancient relatives? Share your thoughts and join the conversation in the comments below.